What is up, everybody? This is Will from WP Living coming at you with a WordPress theme review. And it's a Sunday afternoon here in Osaka, Japan. It's very grey, heavy rain. Why? Because a typhoon is making its way across the country as I speak. And I hope everyone out there is safe and sound. Given that it's raining, I thought I'd take the opportunity to do a WordPress theme review. And as you can see, I'm on the presentation page for a theme called Zeko Lite, created by this company, Anariel Design. And I believe the company is run by this person here, whose name I will mispronounce, Anna Segota. And Zeko Lite is a free version of a premium theme, and the premium version costs $59, but I'm going to be reviewing the free version, the Lite version. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Here we go. So let's start by reading the developer blurb for this theme. And they say Zeko Lite is a simplified free version of our premium WordPress theme, Zeko. The theme is perfect, a perfect match for charity and non-profit organizations. It is built mobile first and is a pleasure to view on devices of all sizes. It is modern, responsive, and accessible. And the theme demo content has been designed to champion the cause of animal rights, raising awareness that animals are sentient beings and should be treated as such. Hear, hear. Okay, I just want to switch to the demo of this theme and have a look at some of the key features before we get into the installation. So I'm on the front page of the demo site, and as you can see, it's a very strong front page with a strong header graphic, a call to action section, up top a clear menu, and then as we scroll through, we've got other sections with images and text, and at the bottom some widgets, also got some social media icons. Fairly straightforward, very clean, very nice looking. I want to draw your attention to 3 different templates that come with this theme, and each one is related to the type of theme it is, which is for non-profit organizations. And those pages are causes, donate, and the landing page. Let's take a quick look at each one of those. Causes is a grid layout page with a header image highlighting the various different causes that this would-be charity is supporting and that you could donate to, and it's neatly laid out in terms of how much money has been raised, what the cause is about, and so on and so on. So that's a pretty cool page. The second one is donate, and this is a single page view of one of those particular causes, and so this gives you more detailed information and gives you a donation form and a donate now button. Very easy. And the last one is the landing page, and they've got this nice video background going on, a big button there to donate, some images and text, and then some of the sponsors and some testimonials and that sort of thing. A very simple, nice, clear landing page. Okay, so I'll let you check out the other features that Zeko has by yourself. I'm going to move on to the installation and usage section of the review. Okay, so the next step is to download the theme. On the presentation page for Zeko Lite, go to the bottom, you'll see the download link. Click that, it will prompt you for your email address. Go ahead and subscribe to the newsletter. You can unsubscribe at any time, but you'll get the link delivered to your email address, no problem. I've already downloaded the theme. When you've done that, go to your WordPress installation. I'm working on my test site called Sandbox. Click the Appearance tab, then go to Add New, and then Upload, and then find the downloaded file. In my case, here it is, Zeko Lite. Install that and activate the theme. Okay, so once you've activated the theme, you'll notice a series of pop-ups here, including the one about plugins. So if you want to replicate the demo website, which I suggest you do in order to learn how to use the theme, then you're going to have to install some of these plugins. Contact Form 7 is for the contact form. Elementor is going to allow us to create all those blocks you saw for the donations and things like that. The Give plugin is going to power the donations. So let's go ahead and just install some of those. If we click begin installing plugins, I'm going to leave Jetpack for the moment, and I'm going to leave Contact Form 7, and I'm going to install the others. So let's do that. Bulk actions, install, and apply. Okay, so those installed successfully. And the next thing I'm going to do is go to the Appearance tab, and now you'll notice there's an Import Demo Data option. Click that, and let's go ahead and initiate the Import Demo Data. Okay, so the import has finished, and now all the data should be installed automatically. So let's go ahead and look at the front end of my demo site. I'm going to refresh this screen, and there we are. Bam! In the blink of an eye, the same settings as the demo site, more or less. It's pretty much more or less the same. There may be a few differences, but generally the same layout is there. That is excellent. And do we have the causes section running? Brilliant, that's also working. And the donate page, yes, that's working too. How about the landing page? And that also works, brilliant. So we've got all the key elements of the theme working very simply after installing those plugins and running the import demo data. And now if we go to our pages section, we should see all the different pages that we can play around with. And I suggest that if you're using this theme for the first time, it's a good idea to play around with some of these pages and see how they work. For example, the donate page, how is that configured? How does that work? And so we can go ahead and edit that with Elementor, which is the plugin we installed earlier. And here you can see that page and how it's configured. And so what you could do is you could duplicate the content for another page. And so that's how I would go about learning. The rest I'll leave up to you because it's a matter of actually learning how the theme works. So go ahead and check it out. Okay, so in this final section, I want to sum up my thoughts about the Zeko Lite theme. Some of the pluses and minuses. Let's start with the pluses. I think visually this theme is just stunning. I mean, the demo really does a great job of showing what the theme is capable of. And bear in mind, this is the Lite version. With the Pro version, you have added control over all the elements. You can change colors and things like that and font types. But even with the basic Lite version of this theme, there's a lot you can do with it, and it works straight out the box. I really like that. I like the demo content import experience. I like the special pages such as causes and donate, as I've showed before. I think the layout there is also great and very easy to understand from an audience perspective. In terms of the minuses, the only thing I can really see at this point is that there is a little bit of a learning curve in terms of getting used to all the functionality of the theme. But given that you have that demo content already installed, that should make your life easier in terms of understanding what goes where and how things work. But to be honest with you, that's going to be the same for any advanced WordPress theme. You're going to have some degree of learning involved. Perhaps you could see that as a positive as well, in the sense that if you're new to WordPress, it's a good challenge to try and get to grips with the core functionality of the platform. So all in all, I'm pretty much blown away by this theme. I think it's a great free theme for charities and non-profit organizations. The theme could be used for any purpose, really. So big thumbs up for the Zeko theme. Well done to the developers. Really great job. Thank you for releasing this as a free theme to the WordPress community. Let me know in the comments below if you like this theme, if you're using it, or if you have any questions about it, or you need some help with it. Hit that like button if you like the video. Please subscribe if you want more, and I will catch you next time. This has been Will Ellington for WP Living.